ICI Magnum Bumpers are becoming the bumper of choice as the #1 solution in the replacement bumper category. ICI Magnum front winch bumpers are available with the option of a standard base bumper with a tube-style pre-runner light bar, our new RT Series light bar, or a full grille guard for complete front-end protection. The Magnum bumpers are constructed of premium heavy-duty cold-rolled steel and feature integrated 1-inch toe ring, bolt patterns for a 4-way roller fair lead, and are equipped with 2 4-inch integrated sleeves to accommodate off-road driving lights. All Magnum bumpers install using 3-piece bracket assembly and can handle up to a 16.5 winch. Magnum bumpers are available for Chevy, GMC, Ford, Dodge, Jeep, and Toyota trucks. For more information on ICI's Magnum bumpers, please visit our website at www.icionline.com. Today we are installing a front Magnum bumper on a 1999 Ford Super Duty truck, so sit back, relax, and watch as we show you how easy it is to install one of these bumpers. Here are the tools you will need to install your bumper: 1/2-inch socket with ratchet, 1/2-inch wrench, low-tack masking tape, tape measure, floor jack. Start by removing the bumper and all of its components from the packaging and lay out on a blanket on the floor to protect damage to the powder coat. Check to see that you have all the hardware pieces and make sure the bumper is free of damage. To start, disconnect the factory fog lamp connectors if applicable. Then, using the low-tack masking tape, tape off under and about 1/4 of the way up on the front headlights to protect them from being scratched or damaged while taking off the factory bumper and installing the new Magnum bumper. The factory front bumper is attached to the frame of the truck with full front-facing bolts that are located at the front of the inner wheel well on the driver and passenger side. Make sure to support the bumper before removing the factory bolts. With the bumper supported, remove the bolts attaching the bumper to the frame by pulling outward at the fender wells and remove the bumper from the truck. Next, remove the factory tow hooks and under-run guards from the frame rails. You may need to remove or tie out of the way the factory fog lamp wiring harness. To install the frame mounting plate, insert the bracket inside the factory frame. Align the 2 lower holes with those in the frame and attach using the hex head bolts provided. Make sure that the 4 forward-facing holes are aligned and tightened. On the back side of the bumper, loosely install the 4 outside mounting plates. Be sure to install each bracket with the flange out as demonstrated. Using a floor jack, support and lift the bumper up to the frame of the truck to the pre-installed frame brackets. Carefully align the loosely installed bumper brackets to the frame brackets on the truck. Attach the bumper to the truck with supplied bolts. Leave the bolts loose for later adjustment. Use caution as the bumper is heavy and may try to rotate forward and come in contact with the body or grille. Check alignment of the bumper with a tape measure on both sides of the truck to make sure the gap between the bumper and the truck is the same. Adjust as necessary. Adjust the bumper from side to side and up and down to your preference. Once you are satisfied with the placement, tighten the bumper into place, starting with the inner bolt to the frame first. You can now remove the low-tack masking tape protecting the headlights. Double-check the placement of the bumper by measuring the gap from the top of the bumper to the bottom of the headlight to make sure the bumper did not shift when the bolts were tightened. If you are installing lights into the bumper, firmly bolt the post of the light to the welded-on tab provided in the light pocket of the bumper. ICI recommends Vision X lights, part number XILOPR120KIT, but any 4-inch round light will fit. Wire lights according to the manufacturer's specifications. Once installed and wired, turn the lights on to adjust the beam angle. Once the light is in the desired position, fully tighten it to the bumper. Congratulations on installing your new ICI Magnum bumper. You now have the best built and best performing bumper available. Magnum bumpers, except no substitute for unparalleled quality, design, and innovation. ICI, the leader in aftermarket accessories.